Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I hope you must be doing very well. So today is 13th of April 2026 and I'm looking at the gold US dollar today. My friends, a very big gap down, okay? Right here if you see, a very big gap, almost a gap of 1000 pips. What has happened to gold? Wow. And on the daily chart it looks as this, sort of like a broken something. Okay, not good looking at this particular moment. Now my friends, weekly stuff, okay, the bigger plans and the bigger levels I have discussed in the weekly forex forecast video. Today I am going to discuss where this gold can move. Okay, so if we see the market, no doubt looks very good and very beautiful. Okay, and this session is going to be a little bit eye-opening as well, because I will be telling you something that no one has ever shared on YouTube or any social media platform regarding forex. So it is going to be super beneficial and important session for everyone who want to improve their forex trading life. I come right here in these sessions when I discuss, so I don't just discuss it for you, okay? I also discuss it to remind these things to myself again and again and again and again. So my friends, on a higher scale things looks beautiful, okay, I mean beautiful, but I'm not that type of discussing that type of an entry where we will be setting bigger stop losses. No, we will be setting realistic stop losses, and everyone does that. For example, no one buys right here and add a stop loss right here, okay? But same mistake people do repeat on the lower time frames we will be discussing today. So higher time frame, obviously a gap down, but the structure is still bullish. Now my friends, let me tell you the sell scenario first. Okay, the sell scenario. And in the weekly forex forecast video I mostly read the buy scenario, but we have to study the sell scenario as well. We have to find out that okay, if this trend moved, how it became bearish. In simple words, if I say, it will be looking as this, okay? And our bearish rally starts from right here. See, a trend line nicely broken and nicely came back down, took a support and continuing back up. So till at this stage, my friend, I'm sure enough, as per this market which is showing me, this market is showing me this move, no doubt, like there is no other question in it. As this and as this, and 100% it is showing me this. Now understand, okay, 100% this move it is showing me. So why I'm not adding 1000 lots right here? Do you know? This is a bigger question. If I know 100% that market is going up there, why I'm not adding 1000 lots? For that, there is one thing that we need to understand. Why? What is that fear which is stopping me from taking 100% good trade opportunity, because I'm sure it is going up, but sometimes it doesn't go up there. Okay, sometimes it doesn't. What is that problem? I am not taking buy right here. Am I afraid that sometimes it doesn't continue up, sometimes it reverses from here? I am just guessing, or I have something on the basis of which I am saying it. Clear? Now, what is that something that is making me a little bit fearful right here? First thing first, it is going till here, but from which support? From, my friend, this support. Okay, so let's suppose if I say I want to buy right here, because I'm sure it is 100% going up. I'm sure it is 100% going up, but does that mean I add a buy position as this? This is the take profit, and this will be the stop loss. My friend, what do you think? Does that make any sense? No. First thing, on the technical grounds and technical reality, if I tell you, since like no doubt this is my support, this one you see, this is my nice, beautiful, fantastic, super duper type of a trend. This one. And which previous trend I have present in the market? That previous trend is this. Okay. Now remember, my friends, there are traders who try to buy from here on the basis of this trend line, and they say we are good traders, and I will say you are a good trader. If you bought from right here, you are a good trader. But if you are stopped out, and if you keep increasing the stop loss, you are a bad trader. Number one. If it hits the stop loss and on the 1 minute somewhere right here, if one tried to chase it again to the buy side of the market, then I will say bad trading habit, not good. Which one was the right one? The right one was break below, retest, continuation. Okay. Now who will catch this particular move? Those who are disciplined. What is the spelling of discipline? Whatever. Discipline. Discipline. With discipline you can catch this particular trade. Now most traders are disciplined. They are prepared that okay, this market is coming back down, this is a retest, and I have to take a sell from here. Now listen this interesting story. Let me highlight this area a little bit. My friends, you have to give me feedback about these sessions, okay? Here. And right here, where is that level? Here. By the time people, like, even there, it like a good trader still do this mistake that okay, let me do it a little bit this way. See, because till at this stage no doubt the trend line has broken, but I mean, like, see, there are wicks, so trend line right here, once it broke, stop loss hits, fine. Right here it created a buy story on the lower time frames. It created a buy story on the lower time frames. Pay close attention, my friends. Okay, where is here? See how it created this buy opportunity. How? Market in a nice manner on a 15-minute time frame is coming down as this. Look at this, okay? It created this false area right here. Market coming back down nicely from there as this, nicely okay, some until at this point, nice, below the trend line, boom, breakout. People got bullish right here, that oh, we are going to get a very beautiful trade opportunity. People got bullish right here, that we have seen a trend break, a retest, and now we continue. And then what happened? Right here the bulls entered, were initially in a profit, stop losses hit. Again they say okay, it might be a random one, let's trade this one, this area, and boom, what happened? Now what mistake people did right here? Remember, this is a very learning thing for everyone. My dear friends, okay, my dear brothers, the thing is, when market was like, now I'm explaining, if one misses this move, why missed, okay, what was that trap? And my friends, these are not trap actually. We need to understand these markets as this, then things will be getting better, okay, as this. Now market is moving up and market is moving down all of the time, every time I tell you, but I don't just want to stretch this video further, okay. So I was saying there must be something right here which is stopping me from taking 100 lots right here, if this is a guaranteed setup. Now let's study this area a little bit, this H4, okay, this H4, this area, let me change the color a little bit. These are different stories, my friends, and try to understand it. Remember, my friends, 99% of the traders were ready. 99% of the traders who understand trading, they were preparing right here for sell. They knew that on a breakout we are going to sell, but why they missed? Their mistake was they moved to M15. So as a part of a strategy, one should know that when you need to switch the time frames. This is I want to tell you. Now let's study this story a little bit here. See, nice story, and inside this story there are further story. For example, this will be a 5-minute story, this will be a 5-minute story, this will be a 5-minute story, this whole will be maybe a 15-minute price action or H4 price action. But on this time frame it looks as this rally. Now what is this rally telling me? This rally is now telling me, let's zoom in, that okay, market started with a very nice move right here, and we have got let's do it as this. We have a change of character right here as well. This one was a change of character as well, and even this one was a change of character as well. So now if these people took this buy trade with a stop loss around, like these days stop losses are very big on H4, so it was good. See, now from here I will be catching the market, okay, as a bull. Reason, bigger reason, my friend, I don't ever go without reason. Nah, Without reasoning, I don't even blink my eye inside this market. Never. So then, my friend, the reason was this. As a trader, I need some sort of a reason to look at it to the bullish side of the market. A, B, C, and obviously that is the D. Again, one thing I want to tell you. Everyone right here will be prepared on this breakout for a buy, but will take emotionally a sell trade as this. And this is the market, okay? You need to understand these things. So yes, I need this reason for a buy. Okay, nice buy, continued. But if let's suppose I want to trade today, I will need to look at this market. How I will need to look at this market? Higher time frames I did. I'm not doing it for a week or 2 weeks. I'm just looking the market for today. Now on the H4, this is the situation, so I will be reading this trend. So when I read this trend, the first thing that I see that okay, it continued as this. Then I say, wow, my friend, if it broke is this, then what else is left? This is a straightforward sell area right here. Okay. Again, I will be coming to that same question. And try to understand, because I'm not going to repeat these things again. I will just clean the chart and will start something else. So my friends, market opened with a gap, okay, and market right now is below the trend line. So I will simply say, okay, I want to grab Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci number comes right here. So two supports are good for me, and one support can be as this. Okay, I will be opening different templates as well. Okay, so this is, and I will try to next time do the daily time frames analysis on a separate template, because on MT4 I have this opportunity. I can open as many pairs, any amount of uh, charts as I can. And from today I have started my Telegram channel. This is a good news for all of you. Okay, so yes, anyone want to join my Telegram channel, contact me on this WhatsApp number. Okay, and I will be sharing signals there. We will be trading together. Okay, everything. Now you don't need for one-on-one sessions or this and that. You just contact me. We will be in a Telegram channel, a good community it will be. And from London open till New York close, I will be right here. 12 hours we will be spending together every day, Monday till Friday. Okay, 12 hours. So out of 12 hours I will be taking some breaks and stuff. So a very good uh, uh, like content and new program is coming. So my friends, why then I don't sell? If I tell you I can take a sell from here from 47.60, my stop loss will be around 1500 pips, but then I say still this is a very big stop loss. Then I switch to the H1 time frame and then I see it a little bit. On the H1 the situation is as this. Okay, and if I'm trying to trade, I will be looking at it near 47.60. Then if I go below this time frame, I will be sharing those in the Telegram channel, so to actually trade and make a profit together. Okay, so 47.60 till NY session, I will also be coming live as well in the NY session. Educational sessions, my they are. Remember, I want to give you an example on a present market. For example, this market is dropping below this trend line as this, okay, and market opened with a gap today. So when it opened with a gap right here, it started consolidation zone right here, and inside this consolidation zone people are trading and buying and selling. How? Let me show you. And everyone is losing money at this stage, okay. Why? Because it is when you will be prepared for a buy, it will make you a seller back down till here. You will think that okay, it is anyways like slightly, if it become bearish on the M15, people think it is coming straight down till here, and out of this range people are losing lots and lots of money. So avoid doing that, okay. And even the RSI is not at a good stage right now. So let's see in my further updates for gold. We will see what we can get further. Below the trend line, I will be treating it as bearish 47.60. Okay, so now on the daily time frame, I said it is 100% doing this, and on the lower time frames, I'm saying forex is as this. And those who don't understand it and those who think this is complicated, I think, my friend, don't waste your money in forex market. So see you in other sessions. Take care and bye bye.